How does state financial aid for immigrants differ from federal? Imagine trying to pay for college or health care and finding out that federal programs might not be available to you because of your immigration status. That can be frustrating, but understanding how state aid works can make a big difference. Federal financial aid programs usually have strict rules about who can qualify, most requiring applicants to be U.S. citizens, permanent residents, or eligible non-citizens. If you are undocumented or have temporary status like deferred action for childhood arrivals, you might not be able to access federal aid at all. Federal programs like the Free Application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA, are off-limits for many immigrant families. Health programs such as Medicaid, the Children's Health Insurance Program, or temporary assistance for needy families also often restrict access. Usually, there is a 5-year waiting period after gaining qualified immigration status before benefits are available, with some exceptions for refugees, asylum seekers, or military families. In contrast, state financial aid programs can be more flexible. Many states have created their own rules to include immigrant families, even those without legal status. For example, California offers the California Dream Act, which allows undocumented students and those with deferred action for childhood arrivals to apply for state financial aid and in-state tuition. Other states like New Jersey have special applications for undocumented students attending eligible colleges and universities. Some states also use their own funds to provide health coverage and welfare benefits to immigrants regardless of their immigration status. This can include health care for children, pregnant women, and older adults who might not qualify for federal programs. For families managing multiple generations, sending remittances, or planning cultural events like quinceañeras, knowing these differences is key. State aid can help fill gaps left by federal restrictions. It can support education, health coverage, and financial stability for immigrant family members. To make the most of these options, families need to learn about each state's specific programs and eligibility rules. This knowledge can help families budget better and access resources that support their goals. Building credit and financial stability often depends on using all available aid, including state programs designed to help immigrant families succeed. To sum up, federal aid is limited to certain eligible groups, often excluding many immigrants. State aid programs tend to be more inclusive, offering support to undocumented, DACA, and other immigrant groups depending on where you live. States like California and New Jersey have created special programs and applications to help immigrant families access financial aid and health benefits. In some states, health coverage and welfare benefits are available regardless of immigration status. Understanding and using these state options can make a real difference in managing education costs, health needs, and overall financial planning for immigrant families.